Hey everybody, in this video we're going to graph the function y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4 using slope-intercept form. Okay, so first of all, come over here and grab your first color. And what we have to do first, it says first underline the slope or the m value, okay, in one color. Right, so in this situation we have a negative slope. It's going to be negative 2/3. So let's underline the negative 2/3. Then come back over here and grab another color. And we have to underline the y-intercept in a different color. So we're going to have positive 4. That's the y-intercept, okay, in green. And then finally we see to graph the points, or excuse me, graph this now with the slope-intercept form. All right. So we're going to start at positive 4. That's the y-intercept. And then from there we know we have a negative slope of negative 2/3. So I'm going to go down 2 and write 3. And I'm going to do it one more time. Down 2, right 3. And then going back to the y-intercept, I'm going to also go up 2 and left 3. And then finally, we're going to connect the dots as neat as you can. It can be a little tricky sometimes. And draw the arrows. And there's our function. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4.